your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this video is about this wig I'm wearing and what I recommended to one of my honeys. She said she can't seem to find a good wig. I told her that I think she would like this one, and this would look nice on her. I know how she wears her hair, and I think she'd like this. And I gave her the link to this wig, and this is what it looks like online. So you have to work with the wig, you know. There you go. See how it comes? See that wig head? That's where the wig came. It don't come with any lace, no parts. I actually made my own part. Y'all seen me make my own part before. Put in a little concealer, you know, after I separate the hair. And I wash my wigs, my human hair wigs. This is human hair, and it's 18 inches long. It says 100% human hair wig, kinky curly with bangs, fluffy wavy wig. But anyway, and it was $65.99 on Amazon. That's a good price. And look at that wave pattern, y'all. So I really like it. It's 130% density. So if you want one with more density, then get it at least 150 or 180% density. This is what 130 looks like. Not too much hair. If you want to use a paddle brush and brush it out more so to fluff up, you know, it can be more fluffy. But I choose to wear it like this. I use my mousse and I put it on there, massage it in there, and just scrunch. So I like defined curls and waves like this. Okay, I just want to show Kim how the wig really looks. It doesn't look like the picture in on the ad. It don't look nothing like this. But it's beautiful hair. If you don't like this color, since it's human hair, you can dye it. There's no lace to cut off. It's just hair. Very comfortable, big head friendly, because it fit my big old head. So, okay, that's what I want to tell you. And something else. I got a, y'all know I recently did an out and about video where I was in front of the movie theater and I was filming people slipping and sliding on the ice. So one of the comments I got from one of my honeys, I guess she's still a honey, she said she didn't like my sarcasm because it made her feel some kind of way, basically. It made her feel some kind of way. And by her being a plus-size woman, she felt like I was making fun of people at other people's expense. So my reply to her was, you know, I mean, I don't know if she noticed or not, but I'm also a plus-size woman. But I consider myself a big, beautiful woman. You know, I have learned to love the skin I'm in, and I try my best to enhance what, you know, enhance what I got. But she feels some kind of way about what I was saying. So I don't try to hurt nobody's feelings. I'm not trying to belittle anybody or make anybody feel bad about themselves. That just ain't in me. So I just had to put it out there. Okay. Thank you for watching. Leave me 2 thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. Okay. Bye. I think it's cute. $65 human hair. It says kinky curly, but it looks Brazilian to me. Okay. Bye, y'all.